Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So low speaker volume in HP Pavilion 15. So how to fix it? So first, in the speaker icons, right click to click on open the volume mixer, and after that you have to set the full volume. Okay, and then this is also full sound. Okay, and set 100% and then close it. Then second one, disable audio enhancement. So click to start and then click setting. After that click to system, second one, and then slow down, find out sound second. After that select which speaker you are getting, like this. Okay, so by default, okay, so turn off this one, auto enhancement, turn off it. Okay, and after that you can click to text it. And since normalize, you can set that by default 48 and then close it. This is basic troubleshooting. Then next, advanced level. Then update and reinstall the Realtek audio driver and click to start and then click to setting. No, click to start, type device manager, open it, then find out sound video game controller. Otherwise you can see extract the first audio, this one. Okay, select the speaker, right click to uninstall and then uninstall it. After that you can see third last, find out sound gaming video controller. Okay, so all the Realtek audio driver, click to uninstall it, uninstall. Now it is installing. Okay, and do you want to restart? No. And uninstall this one also, display driver, it's okay, it is not required. Then close it, then again open device manager. After that click to action, and then click hardware changes. So after that it will come back again. Okay, you can see sound, this will all come. Yeah, and then close it. Then guys, next need to install the latest driver in the Google search box, like Pavilion, and this is official website. Okay, scroll down, select your operating system which is you using. Okay, scroll down, submit. If you are using Windows 11, you can download the Windows 10 driver, it will work 100%. Okay, so extract this is audio driver, and you can see Realtek audio SD audio driver, and this is latest. Always try to download latest one. Okay, yeah, so click to download any and it will work 100%, and after that it will start downloading. Okay, so it is downloaded, and then just single click to open. After that it will come this window like audio driver, and then click to next, accept, next, next. This is locations. Now this is extracting audio driver. Then it will take to 1 to 2 minutes. After that click to next. Now it is installing. So it is installing, and when it is completed, then need to restart your system, guys. Thank you.